Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a photo frame in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just completed a quest and then I got a photo frame as the reward. Okay, I'm going to use this medium photo frame and you can place the photo frame on your wall. I'm going to click on this home icon and I'm going to place it here. Okay, and then we can edit the photo frame. You can click on this edit icon and then you can place your photo to the photo frame, and I'm going to use this photo. Okay, oops. Okay, the photo has been inserted and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how you can use a photo frame in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.